we like singing chicken songs. This is a different chicken song that we usually play. It's called Who Broke the Lock? Yeah, that's right, chicken songs. Here we go. Down by the farmer, mama again, I blew my horn up, food and bed. Farmer, doggy, bark in the back, chew my leg till the sweet morning light. Who broke the lock? I don't know. Who broke the lock on the hen house door? I'll find out before I go. Who broke the lock on the hen house door? Yeah! Who's letting the chickens out, basically, is what I'm trying to ask you.